Good evening, Gaurav. I welcome you to the speaker interview series of AI Test Fest 2026. This is the second edition of AI Test Fest happening on 9th May 2026, brought to you by ATA and Nagarro. So I request you to please introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay, I'm Gaurav Khurana. I've been part of Microsoft for the last 7 years and in the industry as a software tester for the last 15 years. I've been very much active in the community. I have a YouTube channel. I'm passionate about testing automation and AI also these days. Have participated in many hackathons and presented at many forums related to testing communities. So very excited to participate in this AI test fest. I wanted to participate last year but missed it. But this time I got the chance. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being our speaker, and thank you so much for this brief introduction about yourself. So, Gaurav, as you are in industry since 15 years, how do you see how the industry has been changed for basically for testers, and how it will be keep revolving with this new thing everyone is talking about in the market, AI. Everywhere you see AI, day to day life. I'm not feeling well, I'll talk to Chat GPT. So how do you see the world revolving in context of QA's job as well as a person?
Okay. So I think the basics always remain the same. That like earlier also, when you want to give your product to a customer, you want that they should not face any problem. Even after automation and then AI coming into picture, that feeling should still remain with you when we say that you have to be in customer shoes. So you have to keep thinking about your customers. But yeah, AI has brought a sudden change because it's a revolutionary tech. It's not like earlier ones where we have seen tools like via programming, we can automate some APIs or maybe browser action. Here we can do more things. So things have changed, but the basics remain the same. So you keep like you don't get just like everywhere when something new comes up, we adjust with it. So I always give this example that earlier we had SMS, right? Then when WhatsApp came, we became comfortable. Even our parents became comfortable with WhatsApp, right? And then even our parents are ordering from that 10 minutes app, right? So we adjust in our life, but when it comes to our job, we think that, oh, something has come, then we start getting fear. So if we adopt to it, I think, yeah, there would be a fear because because the tech is a little revolutionary compared to what we have seen before. But companies still need people who can build with that tech. Like earlier, you had softwares without AI. Right now, we need softwares with AI. So some people are needed to develop it, to test it. So jobs would be there, and we just have to upskill ourselves to be in the market and not fear, because fear will not take you anywhere. You're on mute, Abhay.
Oh my God, thank you so much. You have answered each and everything. Now I don't have any question to ask you. You have covered job market, you have covered everything, the revolving things. Yes, I do agree with your thoughts, and I agree that with tech changes, we need to align ourselves with the tech changes like we have aligned ourselves with the process changes, agile, DevOps, CI/CD pipeline, safe agile, everything same way automation, Selenium, then RPA, blockchain, everything has come in the market and they are staying in the market only and new things are revolving. I agree with you. So you have covered everything. So I should think some more questions for you. So how do you see the testing communities are growing and how testing communities are good for the people, how they are helping to the people? Because every time new things comes, everyone thinks tester job will be no more, tester jobs will be no more. Why? Our job will be there. Everything, anything comes up, someone needs to test it, right?
Uh,
So that is the thing in the market, that what testers job. So what do you say about this?
so communities are definitely helping, right? Initially, in my few years, communities were not there, so I didn't had that access, or maybe there were few which were there internationally but may not be in India. So the advantage of community is we can discuss and we can know problems what others are facing, right? Because
Sorry to pause you. ATA is there since 11 years
okay, so yeah,
in
because I am there,
India.
I am there with
Yeah,
15 years of
maybe.
experience. So what I'm saying is initially 5 years I was not
Yes,
aware
yes, I
about
agree. Yes.
like after 5 years when I changed companies, I came to know about few technologies, and maybe I was more active on LinkedIn and I started seeing. So definitely
Yeah,
ATA, and there would be others also which might be there, right? So they always help in the sense that you don't have to try everything yourself, right? You come to know
yeah,
about some other tech, like how other people are solving the problem or what are the problems they are facing. So you came to know about patterns, right? And
yeah,
it creates a good network, and you get the opportunities like this, where for example, every time I go in a meetup, I came to know something which I never knew earlier, because there are so many products. We just think that okay, there is software development which is going on, right? And we know about e-commerce and some common things, but there are very specific use cases. For example, there is a company which is just sending SMS, taking care of your SMS part. So there might be less companies like that, right? So
yeah,
so these communities are helping people by, like, they give you a safe platform where you can come, you can share your thoughts, and you can become a speaker as well. And to answer your second question, that whenever something happens, they try to take the QA job, because the tools that they come, right, they have to show something productivity, right? So, and sometimes they are developed by the people who have never done testing, and they make it or they bring it in such a way that, oh, it is a problem solver and it can do. Sometimes it is, but most of the time it is not. Because you remember, right, 2 3 years back there was a Devin or something came, right? They told that it is a
yeah.
programmer, it can replace. So as till now it has not replaced, but when it came in market, it comes like that. And when you create a fear, right, so that gets spread in the industry.
I agree.
So yeah,
Yes,
let's not maybe spend too much time on fear and all this stuff, because it never helps
yes.
actually.
Yeah, I agree. I am there was a debate an year, 2, 3 years back, the manual tester versus automation tester. If you see, LinkedIn was full of debate from Brijesh Deb, me, Aditya Garg, Ruslan, everyone was involved. Then we have started writing in our LinkedIn, proud manual tester. If you see, these handle, my handle, we kept proud manual tester, because from where the testing starts. Testing was never automated or manual. Testing is just testing. However, you are doing, that is testing. You are ensuring the quality, that is testing. Whether you are using the tool or not, that's the thing. So we have talked a lot about tech, AI, testing. So let me know more about yourself. Means, what do you do in your free time? What all are your hobbies? Except creating videos to help people and doing 8 to 9, 9 to 5 in Microsoft. What else you do?
Okay, I have twin kids, and they are
Oh,
uh,
very nice.
Raghav and Madhav, and they are just less than 2 years, so I play with them. And I like photography as well, but these days getting less time to do that. So that's more or less, and rest I
So
spend
we
on
should
that
not
video
hire the
creation.
photographer in AI Test Fest.
Yes, you can give me. I love to click photographs.
Nice, nice. We will have good photographs from you. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for your time. Thank you so much for such a nice interview. Again, I welcome you as a speaker to AI Test Fest. Looking forward for your session. And thank you so much for your time.